Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to delete or disable shortcut for color filter options in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our shortcut visible here. As you can see, our color filter shortcut. How to remove this shortcut? We can do it from here. So edit shortcut, select actions, and we can uncheck our color filter. Alternatively, we can go to settings, then to accessibility options, visibility enhancements, and here we have our color filter and a shortcut. Of course, we can change our shortcut from here, for example, from this button to button press, etc. here, but we want it off. And now, as you can see, we don't have it no more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.